I know, it's crazy, isn't it? So, do we remember what the greater sign is? Greater, right? So if we had a number that's bigger than the other one, it's gonna be greater, right? Yeah, so we're gonna have a bigger number over here. And then less than, where's the smaller number gonna be? On this side, right? So do we know what the equal sign is? What is it? Do we know? We're gonna introduce Ellie the equal, okay? So Ellie the equal is always to blame for making both sides of the equation the same. She loves to play fair and balance both sides. For this rule is not always the last sign you'll see. She can show math what the answer will be. Use her to add, subtract, or compare. Ellie the equal makes both sides fair. So we're gonna work on the equal sign, so that means it's going to be the same on both sides, right? So I'm gonna give you a little example. So if I were to write 2 equals 2, this is true, right? Because it's the same number on both sides of the equal sign, right? So now, if I change the equal sign what sign is that? If we have, it's greater than, right? So 2 is greater than 2. Is that true? No.
The same.
They're the same. So what sign do we use? The equal sign. Good job. So we're gonna try and work together. Yeah. We'll get to that, okay?
What's that?
That's what we're gonna be working with today. So together, so we're gonna start with 1. So we're gonna be using these blocks. I'm gonna show you an example. So what number is this?
7.
And what?
3.
So we're gonna count. I want you to count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now the other one we're counting to 3, right? So 1, 2, 3. All right. What sign are we gonna use? So, because why this sign? Yeah, because 7 is greater or bigger than 3, right? So I'm gonna have you work together to build the numbers, okay? Okay, that works. So we're gonna go like this, and I want you guys to use the blocks to first put the, we're gonna count, okay? So we're gonna put how many on this side?
9.
And how many on this side?
2.
Okay, so I want you to put that amount of blocks on both sides.
That's easy. We're gonna do that. I need to do this a little bit. What do you need an order?
So how many do we have so far, Ashlyn?
9.
Almost? How about we just count them? Okay, Ashlyn, I want you to count and see how many we have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So, which one's bigger? Or are they the same? Because how many, do we know, if I were to go like this, how many more is there? So,
11.
so there's 11 total, right, if we were to add them
Oh
together?
no.
But if I were to take 2 off, how many are there?
7.
Because it's 7 more. So we're gonna use what sign? Where are we go? Ashley, do you wanna draw it for us? What way is it gonna go?
That way.
Yeah, so how do we, where should what does the alligator wanna eat?
The 9.
Yeah, so the mouth, good job.
Make teeth. Make teeth.
You could do that.
I will make teeth on mine.
So now, I want
Can we
you,
take the knife?
yeah, I want you to do this one now together, okay?
About 9.
Yeah. All right,
I put it in the
Ashlyn, you're building that one. How many are you building, Keaton?
9.
All right.
1, 2, 3. I got 4.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 9.
Okay, Keaton. Which way is it gonna go? Good job. And why is the alligator wanting to eat that one?
It's more big.
Yeah, it's bigger, right? So we have these little guys too, right? So if I were to put this right here,
Nope.
what's it gonna say?
And when it eats that.
So what,
I
so
don't put
four
too much in the mouth.
is less than
I put
9,
it in the mouth.
right?
I
Yeah,
put it in the mouth.
you did, because the alligator wants to eat more, right?
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, this one,
yeah, eating yummy, yummy, yummy. I can do 9.
yeah. So I want you guys to build that.
1, 2, 3,
Keep going.
5.
Good job. Good job.
I did my 9. They're just the same. And there's another 9. I'm gonna leave it right there. That's how Flippy dance.
Yeah, that's how Flippy
9.
dances. Good job. So
I just make a video.
how?
Mom.
Yeah. So what do we use? Cause what number is this?
9.
And what number is this?
9.
So is there one that's bigger?
No.
Is 9 and 9? Which one's bigger or smaller, or what's the other sign we just learned?
Same.
Are they the same number or are they different numbers?
Same.
So we use Ellie the equal, right? And use an equal sign. So we're just gonna go like this. So we're gonna have 9 and 9, right? Because they're the same. So
And then
Ellie the equal is gonna come in and make sure that it's the same, right? So we draw 2 lines. Good job. So now if I were to give you What number? What number are we working with? Ashley, what number do you have? Keaton? Alright, yeah, good job,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
good job.
Wait.
Wait,
What?
you do have it though, good job.
And I don't need to smile.
That makes no sense, Keaton. Why is this,
I make it happy.
how is it happy though?
Because now it's the same. 6.
Yeah,
It's 6.
you got them for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So if we put them next to each other,
It's the same.
good job. So what sign do we use, Keaton? Which is, what's it called? Equal. Ellie the equal. Right?
Yeah.
What is it? Good job. So now,
let's move from keys.
okay, I'm gonna have Keaton do this number. What number is this? So you're building 10 and actually you're building 5.
I can't get a higher. 550. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job.
Black or white, black. I put them in order.
Yep. Alright, put it right here. Ashlyn, which one's bigger?
That one.
Why is it bigger?
And
Instead of 5,
5.
right? So the alligator wants to eat which side? The bigger one, right? So that means,
It's that.
yeah, so 10 is greater than,
5.
good job.
I don't keep it right here. I keep it right here.
Is it helpful to see that?
And there's another one. I'm putting that one right here.
If I want to go like that.
I didn't do that.
Alright, build.
Ooh. I get 2.
Wait.
I do eat 2.
What did you do?
I do eat 2.
You want to erase it and try that again?
Okay, I need to. I don't eat 2. I don't eat 2.
Because which way is that? Do we have an alligator? So what sign are we using? So where's the alligator mouth gonna be? Because which side does it want?
That one.
What number is this?
5. 2.
So which one has more?
5.
Remember, we had 10 over here, and we had 5 over here, and we said that the alligator wanted to eat the 10. So if I were to put the alligator right here because we want to eat the 10. Do we go like this? Because we want to eat the 10. Alright. What's the numbers?
2 and 1.
Good job. So, Keaton, which one's bigger? So we would say 2 is greater than 1, right? So we're gonna try and practice on our own. Do we think we can do that? So I'm gonna try and give you both a different one that you're gonna build, okay? That's yours to build, and this one is yours to build. Okay?
So what then?
Yep, you're building both sides of it. What numbers are they?
7 and 6.
And then what numbers are these? Keaton. Keep going. And how do we make 6 if we were to use this? What do we have to do? Because if we have 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number is 7? Right here, right? So if I were to take 1 off, how many would we have over here?
6.
So this one, this side is what?
7.
So is 7 bigger or smaller than 6?
Smaller than 6.
So if I have all the blocks on this side, right? But I have to take 1 away to put over here. Is 6 smaller? So you're saying that I can have 6 over here and the alligator wants to have this, but if I were to have 7 over here with all of them, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's our next number?
7.
So 7 is bigger. So good job. Okay, are we
No
ready?
people out there saw me flipping at it, and I heard them say,
All right, I'm gonna give you both a little worksheet I want you to work on. Just put them in the bucket. And we're gonna put the bucket away. Put it in the bucket, please.
No.
Just put the whole thing in here. Because we're gonna start on this. So we're gonna have, you're both gonna work on it, okay? But I want you to work this way, Keaton. I want you to go this way, and you're gonna go down, okay? So what is the first thing we do?
Right on.
Good job. I'm gonna switch you pencils. Alright, so what is the first thing that we do with this? We're gonna count them, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we're gonna put that number right here. And then we're gonna count the other side, right? Nope, we're gonna write the number right here, okay? That's how many we have here. How many was it? 12. So you're gonna write the numbers here because you're gonna compare it. So I want you to count them all first, and then I want you to figure out which sign you're gonna use, okay? Okay, move on to the next one. Wait, how many are on this side? Count with me. Okay, so now is, do you want 8 or do you want 7?
7.
Why do we want 7 instead of 8? Okay, keep going. You gotta count all of them and make sure you write them. And if you need to, you can cross them off when you're counting, so you know which ones you've counted. So, look, let's look at this, ready? So if I were, let's count to 7 over here, okay? So we still have, yeah, so we have 1 more over here, right? So do you want 8 birds or do you want 7 birds?
8 balls.
Good job. So what sign do we use? Where does the alligator want to eat? Yeah, the alligator. So I want you to keep doing that. So I want you to circle how many, if there's the same, I don't want you to circle anything, but I want you to circle the extra ones. So for this one, I want you to figure out, okay, so what number is this?
9.
And what number is this?
10.
So what do we do? So, good job. What about this one? So what number is this?
13.
What number? Which one's bigger? Or are they the same? Are, so there's, so 13 and 15 are the same. So what does the alligator want? So, can you tell me why he wants this one? Because it's bigger, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But if we were to count to 13, 1, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have these 2 left, right? Because that's 13. And if we were to count over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have 1 more, right? So we want this side because there's more on this side, right? There's more left over when we're counting the other number. So this one, we have 9 over here and 10 over here, right? You wanna try that one more time? You wanna count those? So this one, what number is this?
12 is 1.
So is that the same number? So what sign do we use?
And that one.
Yeah, we use this one, right?
1, 2,
Whoa.
that.
Is this one bigger than that one? Is this one bigger than that one? So what sign do we use?
That.
Because Ellie the equal wants both sides, right? Because they're the same. So what sign? Try again. Try that one again. All right. I want you to do the first one. So which one's bigger?
That. Wait.
because it has how many more than 7? Yeah, so we have one extra word over. So we were able to work through. So we're going to practice and look at these again. So the alligator wants what side?
That way.
Because the smaller number's on what side? This side, right? Because the alligator wants more. He's really hungry. He wants more than the other side, right? So, Keaton, you want to give me an example of what numbers would go on both sides?
1 and 100.
Good job. What does this mean? Do we remember?
Equal.
Yep. So
It's equal.
so it's the same on both sides.
6 and 6.
Good job. Can you give me another example? Give me a number.
I have 100.
So we have 100 over here. What does the other side have to be? Because it's going to be the same. So what does the same mean?
100.
Good job.
Ooh.
What side's going to be bigger?
That side.
And the smaller side's going to be on
I know.
this side.
I know.
Okay, give me an example.
122.
122, okay. Can you give me a number?
10.
So what side do you want that on?
10 and 100.
So 10 is bigger than 100. So would we flip those? So we would have 10 over here and 100 over here. Yeah. So 100. How about we do 12, okay?
Oh, no.
We have 12 over here, and we have 10 over here.
Drop it.
That's okay. So if we had we'll just stick with 100. So if the alligator is wanting this side, can you see that we have more,
Now
right?
Now Chomso.
We have another place right here, right?
That Chomso, yeah, almost a 7.
I know, it almost does look like a 7, doesn't it?
It's 27 like this.
So if we added those teeth, 110, right?
I know eyes.
So we would read this like 100. So if we were to have it like this, so we would have 100 is greater than 10. Okay, I'm gonna give.
How more time I have?
Is this true?
8 equals 2.
Why is it not right?
Because now 8 is middle. And then
So we have to change it to.
Chomso.
So is that right now?
Yes.
Alright, you guys are good. Good job, you
I
guys.
need 2 more.
You were good.
It's time to leave.
It is.
I need 2 more. Oh,
Good job.
I'm not bringing this pencil.
Yeah,
That's a weird.
good job.